My dear sisters and brothers, I want to welcome you to the Basilica of Bon Jesus. You have always been coming here and participating in the Holy Eucharist from April the 12th right up till now. It has been a great experience. People have been giving us good feedback, saying it's really nice. We surely would like to give you a lots more. We don't want to cramp up many things, but we want you to enjoy the Eucharist so that you are animated to be more and more united to Jesus as the saints have done, as St. Francis Xavier has done, so that we can be saints for our time. We are all saints because we are all baptized in Jesus. But we only have to live it, and that's where we get the strength. So from tomorrow, we are going to change our program slightly. We will give you live footage of our Mass. So we will be celebrating Mass here in the Basilica at 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock. The 8 o'clock Mass will be in English. The two will be in Amche Bashin, in Konkani. Now, what happens after that? You will be able to see them throughout the day till the next day. So that's one thing that we assure you. You will be able to participate in a live Mass and continue with it throughout the day, because there are people who might not be able to attend it at that time. There's another thing that we have done. Since people would have loved to come here to experience closeness with St. Francis Xavier and experience his intercessory presence in their life, we are giving them an opportunity to come to the Basilica, to come here to take a little kind of experience by venerating him and going, but without touching. So that will begin at 10 o'clock in the morning and it will go right up till 4 o'clock with a small break for our volunteers, just half an hour in between. Then we will close the church and there will be other programs that we will be having. You know that there are language masses and we would like to have them in the evening. Get ready with them. What else are we planning? As I said, so first early morning 5 to 6 we will have adoration where we can come and just let go of everything so that God can take hold of our being, and in the Eucharist we have a deep experience. So then the Masses 3, 6, 7, 8. After that from 10 to 4 the veneration evening program. I will announce to you as we get hold of the situation what will be our program for later on. I want to thank you. You have been really wonderful praying for us, and we've been praying for you, and together we've been praying for the world. God has heard our prayers. He is always listening to us, and especially through the intercession of St. Francis Xavier. I wish you all the best, and let's enter into this new phase of our participation in the Eucharist. Thank you very much.